Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video I would like to talk about this table. Well, you have your degree measure, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Well, 360 degrees, the full turn, is in fact 2 pi. Well, then this is a quarter of it, so it's pi halves. This is now a third of half of it, so 180 degrees, that would be pi. So this is pi thirds, 60 degrees. 45 degrees is an eighth of this, 2 pi divided by 8, so it's pi quarters. And 30 degrees is again half of 60 degrees, so it's pi over 6. So we know all of this. But what we would like to know now is what are the sine, cosine, and tangent values for these numbers here. Well, sine of 0 degrees. Look, sine of 0 degrees, your blue line will go down to 0. And your cosine, the red line, will go to 1. And the tangent will go to 0 too. So what you can do is write this up. Here we go. I'll show it to you in a second. Here we go. For sine 0 degrees, so let's put this here. Put this over here a bit. It's pretty clear. When you go down to 0, your sine will go down to 0. When you go to 1, then your cosine value will go, when you go to 0, your cosine value will go to 1. Look, the red line is now 1. Your tangent, as you go to 0, will go to 0 as well. So this is what we get. What do we get at 90 degrees? Well, you go up to 90 degrees, your blue line segment will go up to 1, your red line segment will go to 0, and tangent is not going to exist anymore. Look, as I do this, this point will go higher and higher up, but as soon as I'm parallel, it won't intersect anymore. So what we can say is 90 degrees, sine will be 1, cosine will be 0, and pi tangent does not exist. Look, this is what we do here. For pi 90 degrees or pi halves, for your angle 90 degrees or your radian measure pi halves, you have a sine of 1, a cosine of 0, and tangent does not exist. Let me just show this again. Well, as I go up to 90 degrees, your blue line is going to go to 1, your red line is going to go to 0, okay, and tangent will not exist anymore. As you go out here, go to 90 degrees, this line here will not intersect the line G, the tangent, anymore. So tangent does not exist. It will come up again as I turn it and as I continue. You will have your tangent down here. But well, at 90 degrees, tangent does not exist. Hope it wasn't too difficult. See you on the next one.